Akokodra faka asem se timitie yemfa nchechiremwa o my Ghana ma Ghana nyina ne naso Ghana ni da so ne ye na yete ase nei ye ne o my no eni da so ye ne betimi aka sampa o my no wodache na o my ni dache ejira na motuo ya yetu no enne ba ko mienu miensa ye kwa ye ba nyina no na o my no chehye mu an ye kodva no. And take a decision because you are lying to a certain cause. Take a decision because the ultimate goal is say ebe bua ama Ghana ejina pen pa. Not because supporters see are not being tainted. Look at the bigger picture, which is Mother Ghana. Happy 40th birthday and confirm Philip Osei Bonsu. Near Dudu and say the friend here Obi of Asem 94.7 FM Kosi say fame. Filippo, and your birthday, the 40th birthday. Welcome to the 4th floor. I wish you all the best. Yes, nyame adom ne hira edema ono abusua on tonko somu akokodro ma hunu mu no nte ase enoso ne fa kuma pasa asomo man Ghana. So on behalf of Badwam team, we wish Philip Osei Bonsu aka Obi of Ecosystem fame of Asempa 94.7 FM a happy birthday. Then also happy birthday to Reverend Engineer Albert Aye Ojiri of ABP Consort. He also 70 years today. Agra nyame nshiraw. Nyame onshiraw. Onshiraw no onshiraw no onshiraw no onshiraw. Onshiraw kopin so be ye nshira amano abrosom. Yekoso esre another 20 to 30 years. Ya ahoden ewom edemau. So happy 70th birthday to Reverend Engineer Albert Aye Ojiri of ABP Consort. We efrinana hese Ojiri. On senom na Ojiri. Wonananom nana Aye Ojiri. Na Ojiri na fe papa Ojiri omunyina se we show. Happy birthday. Then the last one we hit the ground strolling. Happy birthday and confirm Oti Ernest Elias. That's virgin son. ATV osmosis. Hey, losing about anymore. The virgin son. Happy birthday to you, bro. Thanks and keep up the good job. Yeah, oh yeah. So I'll pay baby and come on now. Quick one on this labor union for strike or more as suspending. The other side and so and me who say UTAG and so issue statement as of Enra. And so say, omo despite say organized labor. Say or suspended strike, you know, they are still going ahead. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Say Okraku banisa. It's unfortunate say Okraku banisa. And say UTAG Ekachere say they are still forging ahead with striking now. It's not fair. If you want to base on the voter a buyer for decision, one person will take as to some join a strike and someone join one. Now some would just number cast no age now so I call it for striker. It's unfair. Because you called for that vote because organized labor of which you are a member and I declare strike and I'm always seeking the consent of my members. Now the mother body now a declare strike now come join it and then or so was suspended strike no. Now you are using a voter to based on a decision our mother body to court your members say and call a strike. It doesn't add up. It doesn't add up. Now open there, you need to call for another fresh vote from members say. Now organized labor say the decision now or take and was suspended. By ye as a member, you want to take a decision say. Yeah, cause strike until the government do something about a galamsey. Then you call for another vote and see the number of amount for voting for yes and no. But you don't quote it on the basis of say, Mother Union for the CS support to a course. When you have vote, you as a Mother Union say what drop it from the course now. Or something that be maintained. I will use the same vote no to declare strike. It doesn't add up. Professor Ransford Jampo no penny for it doesn't add up. And what you're seeking for no, there's no precedent in this world. You bet me as that short of space that time I'm open. It is not possible. You can't cram fanchire ho. And you're possible. And I'm telling you, say, I think some of us also support the cause. Say, if you dare declare the striker, government should not pay you. Yabre, ade. Yabre. Yabre. You take every opportunity. Not get the decision for the money. Every single opportunity. Some of our teachers, they be lazy, want to take advantage of it. Yabre. Additional much kwesi say. Much kwesi say. Actually, so the number of sit-down strike action are course within our teaching body. Is every year be or such a chef will be a teacher. Every year be or such a chef will be a teacher. O mother body the asthma kotu abayanim. Abasi ampa e yade e ha nyina me to na mo ABCD. O se me kwa de mentiase obede. Yet me from the taxpayer me tio bi o ye lazy. You are tifie. And o kwa ko trefe be sa ya adwuma fro akwaji sika. Na bosume so a wasa hwelem se yemfa o man sika no esa matwiaka. Eyesisie. Eyesisie. This strike by UTAG does not add up. Controller and Accountant General, Ministry of Education should take them on. It does not add up. And what that moment for no? What that damo? Because workers are in the voter or 2 years to support organized labor. And as instances who declare workers are independent striker. And in fact. And so per se who declare workers are striker. Go back, organize another election, seek for the consent of your people. It doesn't add up. Yes, so you must want to do a maimu. Yes, so you must want to do. Why I saw 2 months say I open my penny there. You man 2 months over to me a pam galamsey. Why ya? Tell me one. Nyatum na ye. Nyatum. You person be kind of crash there. Tell me one person. You also Ghana over to me 2 months. I stop galamsey. One person. Why? Nyatum na ye. There's a challenge we need to deal with it as a country. Galamsey high. But yen to me for galamsey ne your how no. Esa go create another how. Galamsey no. Ye how my no. Yen to me sanko jina so esa for create another how for more mine no. And then na me ni doctor for nurse for the hard adwen no. Na tu be call strike na ba. Na so na tine nipa awu hospital be dey. Oakland's labor say many abaya kwaji say you could take timelines. Take the timelines and read through. My timelines to be crown so. They can say abai any the boss so. Better than makano, me makwasisia ya de me to sika e council to sika etria okabi. Strike now it doesn't add up. It doesn't add up. You talk. Set up. It doesn't add up. Obi no also some so maimu. Mo strike no that's not add up. And make it meaning papa biya fa ma yen. Says a kufa na 19 gram onko pam galamsey for nana. Asem o say aban eye adwuma. Ha? Says a kufa na na enko 19 gram wonum enko pam galamsey for no. Asem o say aban eye adwuma na. Mum ye fa nya atwom tro man mu o. Mum ye fa nya atwom entro man mu. No man jigu ye nyina tiri so. O man no ajigu ye nyina tiri so. Alapemno wa bedi nkomo aba Ghana Black Stars match ya ne Sudan ewo ene ewie 4 p.m. Unya adaje a ya bowura it's said as you Hinijan Sports Stadium that's Accra Sports Stadium mu de na mu de adwuma whatever it is say ya Hinijan say ya Accra Sports Stadium there's a stadium in Accra ya ye nyina ye ko nyame adwe na ewie 4 p.m. So the Ghana Black Stars once again as part of the AFCON qualifiers, you know, in Sudan, Ejina Kwano, and this time the interesting part here say a former head coach of the Ghana Black Stars, and it's all headed the Sudanese national team, which is Coach Kwesiapia, against Yakasaya Ghana for. And this is a man that will handle a team onim omu in and out. He knows how they strike, how they defend, how they mobilize to get a goal. This is Coach Kwesi Apia. And we're free as Akodi Sudan. So na your head coach. Now my video bia the president of Ghana Football Association. Okraku yes Okraku TTM dey go your players so. Before that video we need to some market Okraku catch the players. We have a story be on Adom online. Share video is here.
You draw games, you lose in Babaya after 24 years. It is not acceptable. It's no joke. I told Otto, if he cannot deliver, you have problems.
Okay, ticket. Yes, Okraku. Why are there? Watch the Bememu ya. Oh yeah. But you real free sad story. But I do online story no. I mean, try for there be. 2021 AFCON. Ghana has no Messi or Ronaldo type of player. Kate Okraku defense collapse. But that's Samuel Echo Amwesiapia the publishes our story way. Etiquette Okraku the cast as which they say Ghana need Messi and Asem Ronaldo be our team name. Na se bi wo ba bia ye kwako faba. Etimi nim where from this etiemu on the players. Because me say who Messi ni Ronaldo e ga on etiemu say. Is this a man for any brain ye catch him say the football people na apekwa bi so na egu ye football ya nam so omoboa. Messi and Ronaldo ni anto mo free so na beto mo country mo. The country deliberately supported, developed them. How well and no my Ghana you develop your players. Etiquette say who can so be there because we need Messi ni Ronaldo na kan wasem 2021 ni bi. And a penny one can so ka we destroy now say bi wo ba bi a mo chire be kwakofa ba. I want to assume say mo scout Ghana nyina mo say ye ni Messi ni Ronaldo bia wo ba bia. How well na ma develop your football? Kate, how well? And if you Premier League cry, yeah boy. I couldn't name. And what kind of players now? Let me build this Black Stars now. Open will be from one of them. What kind of players? You are shouting over nothing. Players now who can Asem say, "I am Messi and Ronaldo." No, what can you do? You need be. And you Ghana one year they born. You Ghana one at the one more. And somebody you go come to make sure say you be developing young players. Them get is a Messi new Ronaldo na. Cat okay on Asem 2021 no. You are 2 months free. You never more country more. O mine fan so money. Yes, so that selfish interest in tea. And he decided to go some about Black Stars. I'm here to see a Ghana Black Stars a coach or so watching even our secondary schools to monitor and quadacre ball. Yeah, the short-term measures to Johnny a long-term effect. Emma. Yen developing obia. Yen developing obia. Eti eduabana ye dua ye no. Aso ene yet. Gone are the days and then penfo the course football a developing players for Ghana. Gone are the days and Ghana for a pre-course stadium. A coach even Kotokwane has. And the Kotokwane has stadium half a cry yama. O just stadium you know half a cry yama. Because what this player be na ko he no. Player be e na akwa hwe no. And also what body Ura Ghana Premier League na akwa Premier League player be e na akwa hwe no. Instead of the GFN ni aban be ka bom no kwa ye be fa so the Black Stars be didi e na mebire adwe ho. Kwa ye be fa so the Black Stars e be didi e na adwe ho. So nya the Black Stars to kwan kwa dia eh what say ye with them. Etiquette unfortunate. Omo otetem go omo so no according to Wakasa Asem we don't have the Messi, we don't have the Ronaldo. They are playing the ability. Tisusuan Pasa also as president of the FA. Players are select to omo boy Black Stars. Yeah, na your fair. Yes, munye interference there, but who na your team no on behalf of mine no, you reassure us say manage it for us. Players are select to as Black Stars no, yeah na your fair. And also as usual, I'm going to MPP and this system na kwa go do Adom. Then I send kura. Until see be developing young kase young crop for no. Forget it. Forget it. Selfish interest ne too much or memu. Na maker. It's be o memu be from penny to akwada obi adwen ho. And sometimes we take na aso man na your man e Ghana for bone. Aso man na your friend Ghana no ya ye mu nipa etimu bone. Etimu nipa no etwie o man ne ka. Obi anwe Ghana ho biem. Ne akwasisi amene me yire ne mabedi eno nko a. Ye wie de nya atwom. Me sa be ka say o man nkoye. O man be da akoye because me ni na koye pesa me nkuminya. Me ni na koye pesa me nkuminya anamontuo ene yedu. To o man be de na koye. It's so sad. We only wish the players well. For a match, we pray a bit to be a D and kunim. Na boys name for one word and concobo. Name kunim de entimi embra. O check Egyptian national team. Most of the players need local league players. How many local players they were away Black Stars? Now don't cry, do cry in a park so come ball. Interest me too much. Me didn't question say Asem dey carry some no can say abna poku ya hwini esma ka to say ya woda be adram ye ne Adom 106.3 FM ka tuma puma no ne the peoples from Jibadie abro enen so ye ya wada edu wonu biem eti abna poku ya ahwini ba bia ja se na manfo ensem na moka e de ato Ghana ban headed by Nanado Dankwa Fado and so ye kwakwa benya koti abna poku ya ahwini